Today we're going to be making washing soda. What is washing soda? It's sodium carbonate. It has many uses. It can be used as a grease cleaner, water spot remover, oven cleaner, stain remover, and it can be used to make laundry detergent, which we'll be doing in another episode. It can be purchased at the store, but you can make it at home very easily for a lot less money. To make washing soda, you'll need some baking soda, a shallow baking pan, a spoon, and an oven preheated to 400 degrees. And to make your washing soda, just simply take your baking soda, pour it into your pan, level it out, and place it in the oven for 30 minutes. And stir it up. Level it back off. And continue baking for another 30 minutes. After baking, the baking soda has been converted to washing soda. Make sure to put it in an airtight container and keep it out of reach of pets and children.
On the right is the baking soda, on the left is the washing soda. You can tell the difference in appearance. The baking soda is lighter, where the washing soda is more coarse.